In this video, you will learn that how to create a course of project type and how its result will be submitted. Firstly, we assume that project is a graded course and this tutorial is for project for bachelors. For master thesis, please check video for ORIC process. So log into coordinator using your email ID. And go to course portfolio in academics. Here you need to create a course of type project. So follow these steps. Here you need to select the course type as project, which is mandatory. Select domain and select knowledge area. Okay? And you can add course learning outcomes as well. Start review. So for already created courses of project type, search project type courses. Just like this is a project course. Okay? You need to set them as draft to change its project type as it is already set to lab. So request to admin and admin will set these courses in draft state. Log into admin account and search for project type course. This one. Set to draft. After setting to draft, click edit and change its project type as project, course type as project. Save it and change the state as start review. Now you can see that this boolean is project is set as true. It is required for a project type subject. Now going to program offer. Go to scheme of study and open the relevant project type course. Add it. This one is the project phase 1. Here the course type is project already, but you need to set this boolean as true. So remove this course selection and reselect this course, project phase 1. You can see that project boolean is marked as check. Now you need to map PLOs for these CLOs. Save this. After saving this course, project phase 1 and type as project of this course. Now let's plan a class for this course. Click on create button. Select program offer, semester, course type as project. Assign a faculty. Here you can see that the project title is required while planning the class, so enter project title here and save it. In pre-planning, you can check that students are not auto-registered here because it is a project type class and coordinator need to register students manually. Simply add course contents in this class and register students which are assigned to this project. You have to register students manually. You can create multiple sections for project type course and register students accordingly. Rest of the process for assessment planning and result submission is same as per class of our lab or a theory. For this section, print course outline report. You can view project title as well and this course outline report.